How to use data analytics in your business. 3 tips for improving data analytics skills. How data analytics can benefit your health. How data analytics can improve your productivity. 1. What is data analytics? 2. What skills are needed for a data analyst career? 3. What jobs are available in data analytics? 4. How can I learn data analytics? 5. What are the challenges of a data analyst career? If you want to start a career in data analytics, there are a few things you need to know. First, you need to be able to extract meaning from data. This means being able to understand the patterns and trends that exist within data sets. You also need to be able to communicate this information effectively to others. One of the best ways to start a career in data analytics is to get a degree in mathematics, statistics, computer science, or another related field. However, if you don't have a degree, there are also many online courses that can teach you the basics of data analytics. Once you have the necessary skills, you need to find a job. There are many different companies that hire data analysts, including banks, insurance companies, healthcare organizations, and retail stores. The best way to find a job in data analytics is to network with people in the field and to look for job postings online. It's also a good idea to attend data analytics conferences and meetups, where you can learn about the latest trends and meet people who can help you find a job. The field of data analytics is growing rapidly, and there are many opportunities for people who want to start a career in this field. With the right skills and the right connections, you can be on your way to a successful career in data analytics. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.